You guys remember before we placed an order, we had 8,227 followers, and we still have 8,227 followers. So for us to actually confirm if these followers are coming through, all we need to do is to refresh. So how then do we refresh? We need to draw this thing down, and boom, you can see we currently have 8,235 followers, which means that these followers are already coming in. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best way to grow Instagram followers in Ghana, and it's very easy. All you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end, as I'm going to be introducing you guys to this website called growbettergh.com. All you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and do exactly the same thing I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, and you'll be able to get these followers. So the first thing we need to do is to create an account. So all we need to do is to come down right here and come to this sign up right here. And you see the sign up right here, just tap on it. And once you tap on it, come to this place, create a username, come to this place, put your email, come to this place, create a password, and confirm your password right here, and click on those sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. But due to, because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do right now is for me to log into my account to show you guys exactly how to use this platform. So let's go. So right now I've logged into the account. As you can see right here, when you create an account and log in, is exactly how you're going to be looking like. So the first thing you need to do is to come to this category right here. Can you see the category? Just tap on it and scroll down and look for Instagram follower. I like using this particular one, this Instagram followers non-drop new premium, this particular one. So I just need to select it, then come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? Just select it and scroll down and look for the preferable one. But I like using the first one, so I just select it. Then read description. Description is actually what describes the service. It's important for you to read description in order to understand the service, right? The next thing is to come to display the root link. That's where you put your profile link. Just in case you don't know how to copy your profile link, let me show you guys exactly how to do that. So let's go to Instagram. So right now I'm on my Instagram. As you can see right here, when you come to your Instagram, the first you need to do is to come to this shape profile right here. Can you see the shape profile? Just tap on it and come to this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link? Tap on it and your link is copied, right? Before then, I want you guys to understand that before we place an order in this platform, we had 8,227 followers. It's important for you to mark it because we're going to come back for you to see that these followers are going to increase. So let's go back and paste our link right here and put the quantity, which is the amount of followers we want. We don't need to put the amount. I enter 200. Right, so the next thing is to come to this submit right here. Can you see the submit? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see right here they say your order have been received, which means that our order have been received. So all we need to do right now is for us to actually exercise patience, and these followers will start coming into our account. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever we are doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you fund account in this platform is very easy. All you need to do is to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line? Just tap on it and come to this add fund right here. Can you see the add fund right here? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, right, you just need to come to this place, the root amount, and insert how much you want to put. If it's 1,000 CDs, if it's 100 CDs, any amount, just insert it and click on this pay right here. And once you tap on the pay, right, Korapi is going to tell you to enter a valid mobile money number below to process your payment. Just enter your mobile money number and click on this pay with mobile money, and your payment will go automatically, right? Easy peasy, right? So this is exactly how to fund account in this platform. So let's go back to Instagram to actually confirm if these followers have started coming in, right? So right here, as you can see, we currently have 6 new followers. Can you see 6 new followers, right? So which means that these followers have started coming in. We don't need to go to our profile to actually confirm it, right? You guys remember before we placed an order, we had 8,227 followers, and we still have 8,227 followers. So for us to actually confirm if these followers are coming through, all we need to do is to refresh. So how then do we refresh? We need to draw this thing down, and boom, you can see we currently have 8,235 followers, which means that these followers are already coming in. If we refresh again, you see it has entered 36, right? So so if we come to the notification, right, you can see the notification. Just tap on it, and as you can see on the notification, you can see these followers are coming in now, 2 seconds ago, 5 seconds ago. So that's how they will be coming in until they complete the amount of followers that you actually ordered, right? So you can go back and refresh again, and you can see they are now 8,241 followers, right? So this is exactly how to boost your Instagram followers in Ghana, and it's very simple and very easy. All you need to do is to come to this platform, growbettergh.com, create an account, and do exactly the same thing I did in this video, and you'll be able to get these followers, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video.